Students, welcome back to another lesson. Today, we're looking at sales arithmetic. Specifically, we're going to learn how to calculate total price when we're given the quantity and the unit price. We're going to compute the unit price when we're given the quantity and total price, and we're going to calculate the quantity when we have the total price and the unit price. Let's start off with some definitions and formulas, right? So unit price. Unit means one, and we learned that from when we were doing Best Buy. So unit price, cost of one item, and that's the formula for calculating the price of one item. We take our total price and we divide it by the number of quantities or the number of things that we've purchased. Quantity is the item being sold. And to find the quantity, we take our total price and we divide it by the unit price. And finally, total price is the number of quantities multiplied by the unit price. Let's look at this example. So you went to your corner shop and these are some of the items in the store. All right. First question. What is the cost of 2 tins of tuna? How do we do that? We want to know how much 2 tins of tuna cost. Remember, total price is number of quantities times unit price. So there are 2 tunas and the unit price is $180. We multiply that and we get $360. Awesome. Next question. What is the cost of 3 spice buns and 2 slices of cheese? We're going to use the same formula. There are 3 spice buns, right? So we're going to multiply that by 150, the unit price, and we get that $4.50. There are 2 slices of cheese, so we're going to multiply that by the unit price, which is $75, and we get $1.50. Then we're going to add it. All right, add those prices and we get $600. Let's look on this example. A box of donut costs $400. If one donut costs $75, how many donuts are there in the box? So an entire box costs $450. And one out of the box costs $75. So how many donuts are in the box? How are we going to figure that out? To find the quantity, we take our total price and divide it by our unit price. Like so. And the answer that we get is 6. So 450 divided by 75 is 6. Try this final example. A case of soda costs $960. If there are 1 dozen sodas in the case, how much would 1 soda cost? What formula are we going to use here? Right. We need to find the unit price. So we're going to take the total price that we're provided with and we're going to divide it by the number of quantities. And how many items make up a dozen? 12. So we're going to take our 960 divided by 12. And that's our answer. We get $80. All right. Now, recap. What's the unit price? How do we find unit price? How do we find number of quantities? how do we find the total, the sales? All right, once you know that, then calculating sale items will be easy. Thanks for watching this video.